Well, first of all, I want you to dream big. I want you to just get back to that person you were when you had goals and you had dreams and you wanted more in life. Okay. So that's one of the things I really want you to do today is I really want you to dream big because I'm going to show you how you can even earn bigger. Today, I'm going to how to make a reoccurring income stream and how you can make 100% profit. And I'm going to show you what you need to do to make a 900 in passive daily pay. So that's what we're going to talk about. Now, this webinar is for you if you are done struggling and you are done with a boss making a boss richer and you want your own freedom. This is for you if you would love to have your own online business, but you just don't know where to start. This is for you if you do not want to have to DM people or bother friends and family to buy from you. You are here because you're ready to learn how to make passive daily pay online, but you just don't know where to start. And you want to make yourself proud and make your family proud. How many of you, and put a yes in the comment, if you think if you could make 30K in these next 90 days, do you think you would make yourself proud? Let me know. Put a yes or no in the comments. Would that make you proud if you literally could learn that? Because I'm going to invite you to be part of a 90-day legacy run that we're on, where I'm literally walking you through. Look at all the yeses. Love it. I'm literally walking you through how to make 30K over the next 90 days. Now, here's what's happening inside our community. Look at this, Savannah. She made $900 even before she was out of bed in the morning. This is examples of passive income. Jimmy, watching TV at 10 a.m., a $900 customer came in. Going to bed, another one came in. So within an hour, you guys made $1,800. Okay. Look at this. Valerie, she made a $900 as well. Look at this. She made $1,000 in less than 24 hours. Now, you guys, back in September of 2022, I was struggling. I was disappointed in myself. I wasn't figuring out how to make money until I discovered this blueprint. And since October of 2022, I have made passive daily pay. And I will tell you what, getting a deposit every day into your bank account is truly it's a gift. It's truly a blessing, and it's really changed my family's life. So here was a wake-up call for me back in September of 2022. It was that I could build a business with no monthly expenses. It was the fact that I could learn how to make daily pay directly into my bank account, and I could make 100% profit. I could have a rejection-free business. I never had to go find a customer or follow up with anybody. I learned how I could help other people through a fully automated business. And I learned how I could master a 2-hour workday where I could get all my income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. And fast forward to today, you guys, in 2023, we've been able to travel. We traveled every single month. 5 times we left the country. In 2 months, I was home 6 days total. We love to travel. We love to make memories with our family. And I'm telling you what, that's why I said, please dream big. Because if anybody would have told me 19 months ago, I was going to be able to do the things that you're looking at in this picture, I would have said, no way. Because I didn't know what I didn't know. So let me ask you this. How would it feel if you could get out of debt, never have to take a calculator to that grocery store, have more time and make passive daily income? And what if you could learn how to make a reoccurring income stream that comes in month after month? I mean, come on, you have a reoccurring bills. How would it feel to have a reoccurring income? Matter of fact, in 2024, I want to show you how you can make more money on a reoccurring monthly basis than you do your bills. How fun will that be? Look at Drew here. He upgraded to our new program and he got a $900 customer quickly. That's how well digital products and digital programs work. Look at this. She hit her goal. She got her goal of getting her first $900 customers. Look at that. I'm in tears. So blessed. She just received a $900. And look at this one, Legacy Builder Sale. This hits differently, which is $1,150 in Canadian money, you guys. So that's passive income. So passive income, let me kind of give you an idea what it is. It is income that requires little to no labor to produce and maintain. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about how you can make 900 in daily pay and how you can have a reoccurring income stream working 2 hours a day. Because I'm going to show you how to go from launch to profit in 7 days with an online business. I'm going to break down the 2-hour workday for you as well. And I'm going to show you how to have an automated online business that attracts customers to you and how to grow an online business with no monthly expenses. And then you're also going to learn how to have more time to do the things that you love, because I'm going to show you how to have a reoccurring income stream. And I'm going to show you how to monetize on your social media platforms. So I have a question. Results that are happening right now inside our community, right? And this is what I love. So I just want you guys to look at this and think, if they can do it, I can do it, right? If they can do it, I can do it. They're just following a proven process. You can see the results, that are happening right now inside our community. And this is what I love. This is a community that you guys get to be part of, right? And so when you come up here every single day, let me just go to this. Every day when you log in, and by the way, you can do this on your computer or you can do this through an app on your phone. And every day you get a daily video. That's going to help you. You'll always know when the next webinars are. And then we also have an announcement from customer support. You'll always get those in the pinned post, okay? And we have a calendar. You can click on the calendar and you can see when all the calls are. Look at this. We have coming up, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Laura St. John, but she's actually a mindset coach in California. She's been featured on even Netflix movies and helping them. And she is actually going to do a free training for us on Thursday inside our community. So we equip you with what you need to help you reach your goals and dreams. Okay. And then look at this inside the classroom. Look at all this training and stuff that you get. Again, here's the daily videos. If you look at the daily videos, you guys got how to set goals. You get to understand exactly what you're selling, how to make 30K in 90 days, how to have abundance and ambition, seeing the patterns that you have, how to utilize social media as your storefront, mastering the 2-hour workday. You literally get equipped with what you need to reach your goals and dreams. And these are just super short videos, by the way. Like that was 3 minutes, right? Super short videos. And then you also get all of our weekly tech calls. You get the replays. Look at this content vault that you guys get access to. There's testimonials, but look at all the different hooks that you get. You get this. And this is added all the time. There is more added all of the time. Now, if you can't get on live, you get access to all of the replays. See, look at all these replays. You literally get access to every single replay, okay? So this is what you get. This is our community. We have 21,800 people inside our community. And I'll tell you what, community matters. You are who you hang with, my friend. So if you're wanting to make that extra income or literally replace your income, don't you think you're going to learn it faster by being around people that are already there? So